Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you are logged in as an administrator. This gives you the necessary permissions. Once done, create a full backup of both the database and WP content files. This protects you if removal triggers errors. Next, head to the dashboard, Appearance Themes. If you cannot reach the dashboard, connect by SFTP or your host file manager and open /WP content/themes to view installed theme folders. You must always activate a different theme first. Do that now to avoid front-end breakage. Then, go to Themes, click the theme you want removed, open Theme Details and choose Delete. Wordpress will remove files for you. If dashboard deletion fails, switch to SFTP. Delete the theme folder in /WP content/themes, then clear any caching plugins and server cache. Make sure to check Child Themes and Customizations so you do not lose needed files. After deletion, immediately verify the site. Navigate pages, check menus, and inspect widgets. Some settings may shift when a theme is removed. If something breaks, reactivate your backup theme or restore the deleted theme folder from your backup via SFTP. In case of errors, review PHP error logs and disable caching or security plugins that might interfere. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a white screen, enable WP Debug in WP Config.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.